corners. Small swap, big difference between engineered and lived in. 20 If your living room looks like this, the thing that made this feel expensive 3 years ago is now the fastest way to make a brand new build look cheap. Five things design shows are still telling you to do, and what we're actually specifying on real projects right now. I'll tell you the biggest one in 60 seconds. Stick around. Cold minimalism is over, not evolving. Over. Same floor plate, same square footage. Left side, the entire industry 5 years ago. Right side, what's actually getting specified in 2026. Deeper color, softer geometry, materials you want to touch. The industry's calling it irregularity, surfaces designed to reject the grid. You'll see it everywhere in 2026. Trend number 1, flat, shadowless white. Every surface competing to be the whitest thing in the room. It photographs fine in a listing. In person, it reads instantly dated because it has zero depth. What we're doing instead, layer at least 2 tones, warm, neutral against a deeper accent. Let the material do the work instead of paint. Fastest fix if your space already feels dated. Once your walls stop fighting for attention, the next thing that dates a room is its shape. Trend 2, everything at a hard right angle. Boxy sofas, squared islands, furniture cut with a ruler and nothing else. / 2026 moves toward fluid shapes. Furniture that curves instead of corners. Small swap, big difference between engineered and lived in. Trend 3, rooms styled by a stranger. Because they were. Everything matches, nothing has history. One inherited piece does more for a room than an entire matching set. Trend 4, the one almost nobody clocks, thin, disappearing picture frames. Read as clean for a decade. Next to everything else in a room, they just look flimsy. Thicker frames are back, and it's the cheapest fix on this whole list. You don't need a renovation, you need new frames. Trend 5, doors nobody thought about. Flat, flush, forgettable. / doors aren't transitional anymore. Glass panels, framed barn doors, pocket doors that disappear into the wall. It's the detail that tells you whether a designer was in the room. If you only fix one thing today, layer your wall tones. Want the detail nobody else will notice? Swap your frames. Cheapest, fastest upgrade on this list. Comment which of these 5 rooms you just recognized in your own home.